Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most influential concepts in literature and drama, tragedy, as defined by ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle. Whether you are a literature student, a theater enthusiast, or just curious about storytelling, this video will break down Aristotle's definition of tragedy and why it still matters today. Let's get started. What is tragedy? A question arises here. Aristotle, in his work Poetics, defined tragedy as a form of drama that evokes pity and fear in the audience, leading to a catharsis, a purging or cleansing of these emotions. But what does that really mean? Let's break it down. According to Aristotle, a tragedy has 6 key elements. Number 1, plot. The arrangement of events which must be complete and have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Number 2, character. The protagonist, often a person of high status, who has a tragic flaw or hamartia. Number 3, thought. The themes and ideas explored in the play. Number 4, diction. The language and dialogue used. Spectacle. The visual elements like costumes and sets. Number 6, song. The musical elements often used in Greek tragedies. The most important element, according to Aristotle, is the plot. A good tragedy follows a cause and effect chain, where the protagonist's action lead to their downfall. This downfall is often triggered by their hamartia, a mistake or flaw, like excessive pride or ambition. Take Oedipus Rex, for example. Oedipus is a noble king, but his tragic flaw is his ignorance and determination to uncover the truth, which ultimately leads to his downfall. This evokes pity because we sympathize with his sufferings, and fear because we recognize that such a fate could happen to anyone. What is catharsis now? Now let us talk about catharsis. Aristotle believed that tragedy helps the audience release their own pent-up emotions by experiencing the characters' struggles. It is like an emotional reset button. By the end of the play, you feel cleansed and more reflective. Modern examples of tragedy: Hamlet, Breaking Bad, The Great Gatsby. While Aristotle's definition comes from ancient Greece, the concept of tragedy is still alive and well in modern storytelling. Think of Shakespeare's Hamlet, Walter White in Breaking Bad, or Jay Gatsby in The Great Gatsby. These characters all embody the tragic hero archetype, and their stories continue to resonate with audience today. So why does Aristotle's definition of tragedy still matter? Because it teaches us about the power of storytelling. Tragedy reminds us of our shared humanity, our flaws, and the consequence of our actions. It is not just about sadness, it is about understanding life's complexities. What is your favorite tragedy? Comment below. This is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Aristotle's tragedy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into literature and philosophy. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite tragic story and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.